Last month we had the first race of the year. We raced a hydrogen-powered Citroën 2CV all the way through the city of Groningen. We are not used to navigate through such tight canals, which puts even more pressure on our driver. In the end, everything did go smoothly and we managed to win against the 2CV with quite a lead. Trying to inspire a more sustainable transport sector, these events really show how much innovation is taking place across the field. Our team is now entering the design phase, which is a couple of intense months in which we will be working on further optimizing our boat. With everything that is going on around us at the moment, we are still going strong and will continue working hard towards a more promising future.